Hello, and welcome to another update video about BTC. Yeah, Bitcoin is currently in this support region between $82,513 and $79,121. It's this standard Fibonacci support range, which is relevant for such a pullback, a corrective pullback. These are standard Fibonacci levels, the 78.6 retracement at 79,121. and the 61.8 retracement and the 50% retracement at 82,513. That's currently where the price is holding, just dancing around this 50% retracement. And these are three levels which are relevant. They are measured based on the rally between the 11th of March and the 24th of March, okay? And now the question is, can the bulls turn this ship around? Because at the moment, clearly, the trend is down. The local trend is down. And there are two pathways that I see as likely right now, at least when we talk about the microstructure. That's precisely what I want to do in this video. In tomorrow's video, we're going to talk about the daily chart again. But here today, just now, I want to take a look at the microstructure. And to be honest, this move down, I was watching for one more low earlier today in wave 5 of 3. And that one more low happened. It looked incomplete. Now it does look kind of complete. I'm talking about this fifth wave of potentially this third wave. And therefore now, with that additional low, I'm just going to slightly adjust resistance, Fib resistance. This is micro resistance, yeah. This needs to be broken to really indicate that a low of sorts is in place. And this area is between $83,950 and $84,660. So this is standard resistance. Obviously, the market is coming down, and a bounce could take us into that resistance zone. It would likely be an ABC structure. So, this, can I confirm it started? Not really, but it might be doing something like that, ABC. Maybe it's trying for that. I was watching for that fourth wave already today, or yesterday actually. Potentially that the Saturday could be a classic wave for Saturday, but the market had other plans. The market actually continued to move down more directly. So all I'm saying is the move down in the third wave, in the internal third wave, that does look technically complete. So it is possible we now get this wave 4 bounce, which, as I said, could be an ABC structure. That's just a corrective bounce, should form a lower high and should hold below $84,661. And then we can get one more low. That would be the fifth wave to the downside of wave C of B. Yeah? So this would be the next move down that I'm watching there. To unfold. I don't currently assume that a low is in already. It does kind of look a little bit incomplete to the downside. But yeah, as I said, a break above 84,660, that would be an indication that a low is already in. That would be a bit earlier than expected, because even in the white count, which is more bullish, a test of possibly even 79,120 appears to be likely. That would be for the last move down. But first, we want to see a more healthy fourth wave, and then another move down in the fifth wave. And if we then, after the next low, see an impulsive reaction to the upside, which would mean, hey, we get like a 5-wave move up and break above resistance, which I will have to adjust then based on where the price forms a local low. So this resistance area will be adjusted. But if we then see an impulsive break to the upside, that could indeed mean that a more substantial low has formed in this B wave, and that we're going higher to 90K plus. Yeah. However, if after the next low, the rally is only, again, also corrective in nature. So if the next move up would be like an A, B, C structure in yellow wave 4, then one more low could send it indeed to around about 75K or so. And then maybe even reach that yellow trend line there. We talked about that a few weeks ago, actually, that should we break below this trend line, which I've now removed from the chart, then hey, there is, the door is open to around about 75K because of this trend line. Just showing patterns, okay? Just showing patterns here. And that's, yeah, around 73 to 75K. But let's first see if the price can maybe form a low after the next swing low. So just want to see the reaction to that next swing low and to the 79,120 level if we get there. Yeah. So local trend is down as long as we hold below Fibonacci resistance. One more low at least, likely, maybe two. And I'll keep you updated, of course. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.